I'm going to talk about a few things that will help you take care of yourselves during the monsoon season. You tend to break out a lot during this season, and the fast growing bacteria just adds to the entire problem. So the first thing that I do is I change my face wash. Now tea tree is antibacterial in nature, and hence it helps fight all the germs on your skin, which actually prevents your breakouts. We only tend to take care of our hair, skin and face and often neglect our feet, which is why I make sure that I always have a foot cream in my skincare regime. This has essential oils of lemon and cedarwood. Now these two essential oils help rejuvenate your skin and keeps them soft and smooth. A lot of people think that if it's not sunny outside, then there's no need to put a sunscreen, but that's absolutely wrong. Each time you step out, you should make sure to apply a sunscreen to protect yourself from the UV rays. Now the great part about this is that it's A, sweat-proof, B, waterproof, C, rub-proof. So even if you're out when it's raining, this one is not going to budge. It's always great to pamper your skin no matter what the season is. For face mask, I use the L'Oreal Pure Clay Face Mask. Now this one has red algae extract, which is amazing to exfoliate and refine your skin in just 10 minutes. The last thing that I want to share with you is the use of tea tree essential oil. Now this could be used in various ways for your hair and for your skin. Now if you guys have dandruff, then you could use 2 drops of this essential oil and add it to your shampoo, and gradually you'll see that there is a difference in your dandruff condition. Now if you have acne and blemishes, the best way to use tea tree oil is to add 1 part of tea tree oil to 9 parts of water and use a cotton swab and dab it to the areas where you have a lot of acne, say once or twice a day. You'll yourself see a difference in a few days. I really hope that you like this quick monsoon skincare regime.